to 9. And Rama is a Purna avatar. You add anything to that number, it becomes Purna. So 9 times 1, no other number comes like that equal to 9. 9 times 2 equal to 18. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Similarly, 9 times 3 equal to 27. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 9 times 4 equal to 36. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. 9 times 5 equal to 45. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 9 times 6 equal to 54. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 9 times 7 equal to 63. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 9 times 8 equal to 72. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 9 times 9 equal to 81. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 9 times 10 equal to 90. 9 plus 0 equal. Purnaha is Purnatvam. So, Chaitre Navamike Titau. Then, so whatever you enlarge Brahmam, Brihatvati iti Brahmam. So, he is Poornam Brahmam Sanatanam. Then, 9 plus 2 equal to 11. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 equal to 2. 9 plus 3 equal to 12. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. If you add anything to that Purnam, that same thing comes. So when you enlarge it, that means multiply, you get the same number. Similarly, when you add anything to that Purnatvam number, what you get? That number, if you add, gives the added portion of it. So that is Rama. Similarly, 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Whether you do multiplication, that means you are enlarging or you are incrementally adding. So 9 plus 5, 14. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So it doesn't change. Similarly, 9 plus 6, 15. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 plus 6 equal to 7. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. 9 plus 9,
18.
1 plus 8,
9.
Vishnor-ardham mahabhagam putram aikshvakunandhanam. That is Rama. Ramayatiti Rama. So, Purvakata Sangrahasya, that is the Shreshtatam. No other number. Whether you do multiplication or you do addition. Same thing. Negative is a reflection. Vishnor-ardham mahabhagam putram aikshvakunandhanam. So that is Rama. Why did he come? Because people, the Devatas were waiting for 12 months. Right from Brahma to Pipilika, all the Chetana, Achetana Vastu, they were doing penance to make sure that there is somebody that is coming to for dharma